Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up PayPal in Facebook. First, you'll want to open your Facebook application or website. From there, locate your ads manager or personal settings. You'll need to find the billing or payment settings area. It's important to have admin access if you're managing an ad account, as this ensures you can make the necessary changes. This initial step is crucial for a smooth setup. Once you are in the payment settings, look for the Add Payment Method button. Clicking this will open a new window where you'll first confirm your location and currency. This is a vital step to ensure proper billing. Then, simply select PayPal from the various payment options presented. This choice will prepare you for connecting your PayPal account securely to Facebook. After selecting PayPal, you will be automatically redirected to PayPal's secure login page. Here, you'll need to enter your PayPal email address and password. Take a moment to review the permissions and details of the connection. Once you're satisfied, confirm the linking of your PayPal account to Facebook. This authorization is a one-time process that securely connects your two accounts for future transactions. Congratulations! Upon successful completion, PayPal will appear as an active payment method within your Facebook payment settings. You'll also receive an email confirmation from Facebook, usually within a few minutes, verifying that your PayPal account has been successfully linked. You can now confidently use PayPal for your Facebook ads and other purchases, enjoying a convenient and secure payment experience. Remember to keep an eye on your PayPal balance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.